Assalamualaikum students, we are going to start the work on Countdown Book 2, as we were on first unit and we were on page 8 of that unit. So today we are going to start the new page number 9. Write date like this. As I have written date, classwork and day for you. Write date 04-06-2020. Write date like this. Then C.W in the middle. Write classwork here. And then Thursday, THURS, Thursday is the day, 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 Thursday here on the top right side. Now they are telling about hundreds, tens and ones. They are telling about the values of the numbers here to us, and we will do these by ourselves. Count and write. इनको गिनना है और फिर लिखना है वैल्यूज़ के नीचे, और फिर इनको नंबर को कंप्लीट करके लिखना है, राइट? फर्स्ट वन इज़ डन फॉर यू. हेयर आर हाउ मच हंड्रेड्स आर हेयर आर 400. ये थोड़े करीब करीब करके बॉक्स बनाए हुए हैं, आपने गौर से इसको देखना है. ये देखें, बॉक्सेस को इन्होंने काफ़ी करीब करके बनाया है. यू कैन सी दिस, दे आर सेपरेट फ्रॉम हेयर. ये दरम्यान में छोटा सा फ़र्क है. सो 1 2 3 4 400. ये 100 के बराबर है एक बॉक्स, और ये सिर्फ 10 के बराबर है. सो हेयर 1 2 3 4 400 10 20 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39. 439 is the answer. So you will write 439 here and you will put the number in their places, right? 9 ones के नीचे आ गया, 10s के नीचे 3 आ गया, right? 4 आ गया 100s के नीचे, right? Come to the part B. Here are some boxes. I will count 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means there are 600. 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90. 690. 1 2 3 693. I'm writing 693 here. So 3 will come here on 1's place, 9 will come here on 10's place, and 6 will come here on 6th place. This is the procedure to do this page. Now let's do part C. 1 2 3 4 5 500 10 20 30 40 50 550 1 2 3 4 5 555. So I'm writing the number here first, 555, right? I'm going to write this 5 here in 1's place, this middle 5 here in 10's place, and this one starting 5 here in 100's place. 555. D part. Now look at this part. 100 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here are 800s. 810 20 30 31 32 33. 833. I'm writing this here. 833. 833. 3 will come here in 1's place. This 3 will come here in 10's place, and 8 will come here in 100's place. So 833. Let's do part E. Let's count these. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 910 11 12 13 14 15 16. 916 is the answer. So after writing 916, I will put the values in their places. Now 6 will come here in 1's place, 1 will come here in 10's place, and 9 will come here in 100's place. So this is the number 916. Come to the next part. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 700 10 20 30 40 50 60. 760. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 767. I'm writing here 767. So let's put this value here. 7 will come on 1's place, I'll write here. 6 will come on 10's place, I'm writing 6 here, and 7 will come here again on 100's place, right? This is the number 767. I hope this is very easy work. Now come to the next page. Write date here on the top again. Date is 04/06/2020. Classwork here in the middle, C.W, and day here on the top right side. So today day is Thursday. THURS, Thurs, DAY, day, right? Now let's start this page. Hundreds, tens and ones. अब क्या करना है इसमें 100 tens और ones की वैल्यूज़ बताई हुई हैं, हमने उनको सॉल्व कैसे करना है. लेट्स रीड. Write in hundreds, tens and ones, then draw beads on the abacus. This is called abacus. We will just separate these values. उनको separate करके लिखना है. For example, whenever we are putting the values or we are separating the values, जब हम उनको अलग कर रहे होते हैं values को, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम राइट साइड से चेक करते हैं. ये वंस प्लेस होती है, ये टेंस होती है और थर्ड वाली हंड्रेड्स होती है. ठीक है. अब 3 वंस, 1 10 एंड 1 100. तो 3 बीड्स इधर आ गए वंस प्लेस पे, 1 बीड टेंस प्लेस पे आ गया और 1 बीड 100 प्लेस पे आ गया. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नाउ लेट्स राइट दिस. 800. For if you are feeling difficulty, you can put the small values here. Ones, tens, hundreds, like this. Ones, tens, hundreds. ठीक है. अब ये भी लिख सकते हैं. Ones, tens, hundreds, सब पे लिख लें ऐसे. ठीक है. OTH, OTH, abbreviation of it. O means ones, T means tens, H means 100. Then again here OTH, OTH, right? It makes this work more easy for you. Now let's start this. 841 is the second number. 8 hundreds, we will write 8 here, then we will write 100. HUN, hun, D, hunt, RED, red. 800. 4 tens, hundreds, 4 tens and 1 ones, right? Again we will put value, we will draw the beads here. 1 ones, we will draw 1 bead here. 4 tens, we will draw 1 2 3 4 beads here. 8 hundreds, and we will draw 8 here beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Now next part, C part. Look at this part. 593. 5 hundreds, we are separating the values, right? 9 tens and 3, you can put commas also here. You will put 3 ones. So let's draw 3 beads here. 9 beads here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And 5 beads here. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's do the next part. 620, right? This is the number, so I'm writing 600s, comma 2 tens, comma 0 ones, राइट. यहाँ कुछ नहीं है तो ज़ीरो आएगा, ज़ीरो है तो कुछ नहीं आएगा, कोई भी ड्रॉ नहीं करना. देन 2 tens are here, we will draw 2 beads here, and 600s is this, so we are going to draw 6 beads here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Now next E part. 419, so we will write like this. 400s, comma 110, comma and 9 ones. So let's draw the beads. 9 ones, we will draw 9 beads here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 110, so I will draw 1 bead here, and 400s, I will draw 4 beads here. 1 2 3 4. It is easy work. Now let's do part F. 758. 7 hundreds, comma 5 tens, comma and 8 ones. So let's draw the beads. Let's draw 8 beads in ones place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 5 beads in tens place. 1 2 3 4 5, and 7 beads in hundreds place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now let's do part G. 302. 300, comma, on tens place there is 0, so we will write 0 hundreds, 0 10, comma, 2 ones. Now we will draw 2 beads here in ones place. Nothing number is here, so we will draw nothing here, and in hundreds place we will draw 3 beads. So I'm writing 3 here, 1 2 3, right? I hope you understand this page. This page is very easy. Now this page is also very easy. You have to count the beads and write the answers here below in the following abacus, and you will draw the beads here in these abacus. I think this is very easy. Let's write today's day here, 04. Today's day it is 0406 2020. Let's write homework here, h.w, and write day here. Day is Thursday, thurs, Thurs, day, day. Now it is clear to you. So you will do this page by yourself. I hope this is very easy page and very easiest page. So do it. Allah Hafiz. We will do the remaining work tomorrow.